Hey, do you want to tone your abs? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to be doing just that. We have a low impact ab workout for you, so let's get to it. Before we dive into today's workout, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new workout video or diet tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online fitness and weight loss coach with over a decade of experience helping people just like you get fit, lose weight, and change their lives through my online programs and workout challenges. And in this video, we're gonna be doing a low impact abs workout. So not a ton of pressure on your wrists, your elbows, your knees, your joints. We're gonna be mostly on your back. So this is great for any beginners or just anyone who wants more of a passive way to sculpt their abs, but don't get it twisted. You're still gonna feel the burn on this one. So we have 5 exercises. We're gonna do 45 seconds each move, followed by about a 15-second rest and transition for a total of 2 rounds. Make sure to stay until the very end of this video so that you can comment below and let me know which exercise burned the most. Let's get to it. For the alternating knee to elbow crunch, you're gonna make sure that your elbows are nice and wide, hands are supporting your head. As you drive the opposite shoulder to the knee, lift the shoulder blades off the floor and feel your abs crunch side to side. For the heel-to-heel reaches, you're going to use your abs to lift your shoulder blades off the floor. From here, tap the fingers towards the heels as you crunch the side obliques. If you need an option to support your head, you can place one hand behind the head to support. For this exercise, we have a single double knee tuck. You're gonna place your hands on the mat behind you, drive the knees into the chest, and then lift both knees up at the same time. Try to keep your chin off your chest and keep your spine as neutral as possible. Your option is to continue alternating, and you don't have to drive both knees in if you don't want to. For the seated rotational twist, you're gonna make sure that your heels are down and you're slightly leaning back about 45 degrees. You can place those hands right in front of the chest as you rotate from the torso side to side. Your goal is to get a really deep twist in the abdomen, feeling those obliques work. last but not least, we have leg raises. You can place your hands behind your hips for a little bit extra back support. Feel free to bend those knees as you lower the heels down towards the floor, then use your lower abs to pick those legs back up. Try to relax your upper body as much as possible and allow the abs to do all the work.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
so much for working out with me today. I hope you felt the burn on that one. Please comment below and let me know which exercise you felt the burn the most. If you want more from me, make sure to get a 7-day free trial to my JJF On Demand program, where you get full classes from me as if I am teaching directly to you in your living room. You can choose from cardio, toning, HIIT, dance, and so much more. So check it out in the description below. And if you want to continue sweating it out with me, check out this workout video here. And as always, I will see you next time.